You do not need to suffer a catastrophic injury to have a valid personal injury claim. Compensable injuries can range from fractures to concussions to psychological harm like PTSD, depression, or chronic pain. Even so-called minor injuries can have a major impact on your ability to work, care for your family, or enjoy your life. What matters in the legal assessment is not just the type of injury, but how the injury affects your functioning, independence, ability to work, and overall well-being. Speaking with a personal injury lawyer can help you understand your rights and whether you're entitled to compensation, even if the injury doesn't seem serious at first. It is a common misconception that insurers will automatically cover all medical and rehabilitation expenses following an accident. Unfortunately, this is not always the case. Insurance companies frequently deny or limit access to essential treatment and benefits, even when these services are critical to your recovery. These denials can delay care, add financial stress, and ultimately hinder your healing. A Toronto personal injury lawyer will act as your advocate to make sure you receive the proper treatment. We work closely with healthcare professionals to ensure you get the treatment you need, and we challenge unfair insurance decisions on your behalf. Our goal is to support your recovery physically, emotionally, and financially. I can guarantee that you don't want to be in my office. Having to worry about the financial burden of legal fees is not something that you need to worry about. Most personal injury lawyers, including our firm, work on a contingency fee basis. This means you don't pay any legal fees unless we successfully recover compensation for you. There are no upfront costs, and we offer a free initial consultation so you can understand your rights and options with no financial risks. Accidents can be overwhelming and life-altering, but accessing justice should not add to your burden. Our goal is to make high-quality legal representation accessible to everyone, regardless of financial circumstances. Like in any profession, experience, specialization, and approach vary greatly. A dedicated, skilled injury lawyer with a track record in personal injury law can make a huge difference in your outcome. A knowledgeable lawyer with proven results, with trial experience, and a client-centered approach will greatly impact both the outcome of your case and your experience throughout the process. In Ontario, being partially at fault does not prevent you from pursuing compensation. Our legal system follows the principle of contributory negligence, which means liability or fault can be shared between parties based on their degree of fault. Even if you are found to be partially responsible, you may still recover damages, just reduced in proportion to your level of fault. A serious injury lawyer can assess the facts, advocate for a fair apportionment of liability, and help ensure you're not left bearing more of the financial burden than you should.